Hello everyone, welcome to HujiProductions, and today we're going to take this out for a drive. It's a beautiful day, it's definitely above, well, around 10 degrees, the sun's shining. Let's see if we can get it up and running and out of the door. Here we go, blow. Oh, there is just water all over the windscreen. Come on, girl. So much water over the windscreen. Unbelievable. Not quite believable. There we go. Marvellous. Right, so find a bit of country road to drive this in. It's ages since I've driven it. I'll take you along for the ride. Whoops. No synchro on first, of course, so need the revs down. Let's go off. Engine's not quite warm yet, but the heater's coming through. Interesting tight turns down this road. Lots of horrible potholes at the side of the road. Lots of water in the road as well. But it is a lovely sunny day. Just seeing how noisy the heater fan is. Put my side lights on because so many cars are modern now and they've all got daylight running lights on, and makes it a little bit more visible, even though with the crazy paint job on this car and the fact that it looks completely different to any modern car, probably stands out rather well anyway. Hope the choke can get away without the choke now. Just don't know how much juice there is in the battery if I have trouble restarting. But if you're used to driving an old car like this and you start to slow down and it stalls on you, you just, you know, drop the clutch, bump start it, off you go again. There's some real dips at the side of the road where all the road has fallen away. Just don't want to put these skinny tyres down there. We are bouncing up and down quite a lot. I think one of the job lists is definitely to check the topping up of the front shock absorbers. We do seem to be bouncing a bit. Maybe I've just forgotten how much these old cars bounce around. Let's go down this road. Find out where this goes. Oh, this looks interesting. Time since I've driven these back roads. Can't remember exactly where everything goes. Come on, Mr. Wood Pigeon. That's it, out of the way. Ah, the old cricket ground's still there. I'm on the right road. That's good. Used to cycle around here as a kid. Summer evening on my bicycle. A few laps of the back road, a bit of exercise, a bit of freedom. Really good fun. When we don't meet other people along here, can hog the middle of the road and just hang on for dear life. Hopefully you can see stuff from where you are. It's the first time I've tried to film properly going along in a car on my own. So it's a bit of a work in progress, the filming side of this. Just going to do a little detour and go this way because I like this bit of road. Way too much fun. probably pretty much going to finish this video off now. So as we drive into the sunset on this beautiful day in England, I'm going to say thank you for watching, and thank you for coming out with me for a drive. And thanks for watching as ever. If it's been fun for you, give us a like. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much, really appreciated it. And we'll catch you on another video. Bye. Brum, brum, brum. I don't know why I said brum, brum, brum.